Hello and welcome to Pandas Power-Up, the place where we learn everything about pandas and how to become a data analysis Jedi. In this video, we are going to start with the basic and introduce the concept of Pandas series. Pandas series is a fundamental data structure used to model one-dimensional data. It's essentially a label array that can hold any data type. The series object includes an index and a name, which make it easy to reference and manipulate the data within. Let's create a simple pandas series to see what we are talking about. We can create a series by passing a list of values to the pandas series function. If we don't pass an index argument, the index value are integer in increasing order. Here is an example. First of all, we import pandas and create a simple data and create our first series with that data. As you can see, we have created a pandas series with a 5 value and default index label ranging from 0 to 4. Now let's talk about the index in more detail. The index is not part of the value. The generic name for an index is an axis, and the value of the index are called axis label. The index can be numeric or string based. Here is another example. We have our data. Let's create some index for our series. As you can see in this example, we've created a pandas series with the 5 value and a string base index label. To get the best performance, it's important to make sure that the value in your series are of the same type. But don't worry, if you have missing or non-numeric values, Pandas has got your back with its special NaN value. Let's create another data with a non-value in it. Here we've created a pandas series with the 5 values, including a missing value represented by NaN. When we have a non-value in a pandas series, it's treated as a missing or null value. In order to handle these missing values, pandas automatically converts the data type of the series to a floating point format, especially floating 64. This is because NaN is used to represent missing values in the float 64 data type. The actual data or values for a series does not have to be numeric or homogeneous. We can insert Python object into a series. Let's create a class, an empty class, and data with mixed data types. When a series contains mixed data types, Pandas sets the D type of the series to object. This means that the series is essentially a collection of Python objects, each with its own data type. The series object comes with a wide range of functionality to help user analyze and manipulate the data. For example, we can use .size property to get the number of entries in the series, or the count method to get the number of non-missing value in the series. If we have another data, and we just use size property and count method, here you can see 3 and a 2, because the size of the series is 3 and count of non-missing values are 2 or is 2. We can also filter a series by using a boolean mask or apply various aggregation methods like sum, min, max, and mean. If we have some data and a series we can mask our series with a boolean array that is in the same size. Here you can see for the first element it includes 10 but not 20. It includes 30 but not 40, and it includes 50. We can generate this mask with aggregation methods. Let's create another mask with data is greater than 20, and we can use this mask, and we got a we can see we are 30, 40, and 50. This mask just generates our boolean mask array. If we just print it, we can see false, false for elements that are less than 20, and true, true, true for elements that are greater than 20. Here is some example of aggregation methods. If we use for our series, get 50. If we use mean, get 30, or some median. We also use the max, mean, median method to get the maximum mean and median value in the series. So that's it for the introduction to Pandas series. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future tutorial. And if you have any question or suggestion for topic you'd like me to cover, feel free to leave them in the comment below. See you in the next video.